Welcome to this tutorial on using New Jersey State Library Discovery. The audience for this tutorial is Thomas Edison State University students, but it may also be informative to state employees and Thomas Edison State University staff. NJSL Discovery allows you to search across almost all of the library's print and digital holdings in one convenient interface. Whether you are looking for a specific article or starting your research, Discovery has you covered. You do not need a library card to search Discovery, but most content will not be available unless you sign in with your library card. If you don't yet have a library card, please visit the following webpage. Let's get started. The Discovery search box is conveniently located on both the library's homepage and the Research Library page. The TESU portal links to the Research Library page. Discovery is the default search box that appears on this page, and it will default to a keyword search. You can search any combination of article title, author, or keyword. Let's try a keyword search for government response to pandemics. Type in the search terms and hit the blue search button. Now you're on the Discovery results page. Before going any further, the first thing you should do is log in by clicking the yellow bar at the top of the screen and entering your library barcode. You can see that the top results from our search are mostly books. However, there are ways to narrow down your search by using limits, located on the left-hand side of the screen. If you are looking for only scholarly articles for a research paper assignment, select the Scholarly Journals checkbox to limit your search to those types of articles. For scholarly research, there are some topics in which older articles will be useful. If you are researching something timely and you want the most recent research articles available, adjust the publication date range to get the most recent journal articles. There is one other important filter you may want to use. Discovery searches across many NJSL licensed databases, some of which are not immediately accessible to you remotely. If you need something immediately, select the checkbox next to Full Text and Available in Library Collection. There are many ways that the full text may be available through Discovery. There may be a PDF link, an HTML link, or the full text finder link that will list the resource where the full text is available. Please note, TESU students do not have access to ProQuest Central databases remotely through the State Library. However, you do have access to ProQuest through your My Edison portal under the My Resource Education tab. The State Library subscribes to a broad variety of journals and databases that support student and state employee research interests. However, if your research topic is highly specialized, you may need access to content not licensed by the State Library. Discovery searches many databases and also includes results not remotely accessible. However, as a state employee or TESU student, it is very easy to request articles from other libraries and receive them via email. This service is called ILLiad, also known as Interlibrary Loan. In many cases, you will see a link below the search result with a link titled Request this item through Interlibrary Loan. Click this link and you will be taken to ILLiad, our Interlibrary Loan request system, where the article or book information will be automatically loaded into request fields. If you are not already logged into Discovery, you will be prompted to enter your library barcode number. If you have not registered for an ILLiad account, you will be taken to a registration page to complete before the request is populated. For more information about ILLiad, check out our ILLiad tutorial videos at the following website. For some majors and topics, you can focus your research by selecting a specific database in the filters on the left side of Discovery. For example, some business majors may find it helpful to select Business Source Premier to only see results from that database. There are a handful of specialized databases not indexed by Discovery, and some databases, like Hein Online and CINAHL, have a special interface that makes it easier to access articles and content directly rather than through Discovery. A handy list of these databases is available in Databases A to Z. You can filter the database list to those remotely accessible to TESU students using the Who Has Access drop-down menu. If you have any questions or need help using the Discovery service, please contact the reference desk by phone or email. Thanks for watching.